Hi friends, how are you? Today we're going to show you how to make this nice sphere logo in Inkscape. First create a circle and convert it to path. Go to path and convert it to path. Now set the size 500 into 500. Now duplicate it. Press Ctrl plus T for duplicate. Change the color. Now again adjust the size 400 into 400. Again duplicate it. Change the color. Adjust the size. Again duplicate it, change the color and adjust the size. Change the color, adjust the size. Now select all these and align it like this. Left. Now duplicate this one. Press Ctrl plus D for duplicate it. Now select only these two, go to path and click on difference. Again select this one, duplicate it, select only these two and click on difference. Now duplicate, select these two, click on difference. Again duplicate it, select these two and click on difference. Now select all these, duplicate it, now create a rectangle and adjust the height of rectangle. Now select these two and align it to bottom. Now duplicate it and change the color. Again duplicate it and change color. Again duplicate it and change the color. Now select only these two and click on difference. Again click on difference, select these two and click on difference. Now again select these two and click on difference, select these two and click on difference. Now select this one and change the color, select this one and change the color. Change it. Again select this one and change the color. Now select this one. You can choose your color according to your need. Select this one and change the color. Change it. Now select this and change the color. Change it. Now select these objects, duplicate it, flip it, again flip these objects and snap like this. Now select these two, click on union, select this and click on union. Again select these two and click on onion. Again click on onion. Now select these two and click on onion. So guys, our basic shapes is ready. Now select this one and duplicate it. After duplicating, change the color. Edit by node edit tool. I think we should change the color so we can see very easily. Modify the nodes. Click on lower to bottom. Now select this one and duplicate it and change the color. Modify the nodes by node edit tool. Modify the nodes. Select this this object from behind. Click on raise to top. Again select this object and modify it. Edit very carefully. Now select this one and duplicate it and change the color. Select this object from behind very carefully. First we have to edit it. Edit it by node edit tool. Now select this one and click on raise to top. Now select this one. Duplicate it and change the color. Edit it by node edit tool. Now select this object and click on raise to top. Now we have to select all green object from behind and we have to change the color. I think we should edit it. Now enable fill and stroke dialog. Select the green object very carefully. Change the color. Now copy the color code, select this green object, paste the code, make some darker, paste the color code. Now paste the color code, use it darker. Again copy the color code, select the green object and paste the color code. Our sphere is ready. Now select this object and group it. Press Ctrl+G for group it or rotate it. You can rotate according to your need. Now align it. First we have to raise to top, align to center, or you can snap to center. Group it. Now select these two and align it. Now select this one, enable fill and stroke dialog box, make some transparency. Use the blend mode option. You can use any effect according to your need, or you can choose your own color combination. I know you can make better than me, so guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my tutorials. Thank you.